Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking about what my strategy is with Crypto.com, Cronos chain, given some of the recent events that have happened in that market. We're going to talk about that and more, the regular crypto markets as well, kind of frame up what you need to be thinking about as we're moving on here in this turbulent time here. We're kind of flatlining crypto, but what do you need to know? I'm going to tell you here in the video. Let's dive into the charts, everybody. So looking at the crypto market cap today, we're sitting at $1.2 trillion currently, teetering up and down. Bitcoin, taking a peek at the Bitcoin chart right now, you're actually sitting right at like 30K. So we bottomed so far at about that $25,000 price level, which is what you'll see here if I show you up here. So it says 26. It's about $25,000 that we got to. And then we're kind of hitting this floor. We're kind of zigzagging right here. Now, are we going to go up or down from here? I think we might go up a little bit and then potentially come back down. I think there's a chance that we could have a continuation here at any point, really. Maybe we'll have another DeFi summer where we get a big pump for the summer. Most people are saying that we're in a bear market and that this is just going to continue going down. I like to try to stay optimistic. You know, it could be a bear market. We could see something happen, right? Elon Musk posts a tweet and all of a sudden everything changes. But right now with Crypto.com, you're kind of seeing the same thing. So Cronos has sat at the 19 level for a while. So it's been at the coin rank 19 for a bit here. And it's right at about 19 cents as well. And a lot of people panicked because what happened is Crypto.com, as I'm sure you already know, slashed the rewards and they kind of got rid of the benefits, as they were saying. Now, one thing I need to highlight for you guys is I'm a huge Crypto.com holder and I love the project. And those rewards were big for me, but I knew very well going into it that those couldn't last forever, and I hope you do as well. Nothing lasts forever when it comes to a rate, a promise by like a crypto company in terms of like an earn rate. These are very fluid, right? You can't lock it in because the markets are fluid as well. There's volatility. When the prices go up, it's different. When the prices go down, it's different. When the prices are flatline, it's different. And that's exactly what you'll see with some of these interest rates. Well, right now, what am I doing with Crypto.com? Well, looking at the charts over the last 3 months, it's come down. And I had to take a loan off the table. I didn't sell, right? I didn't panic sell, but I had to take a loan off the table because I was borrowing money in Tectonic Finance, and I had to secure some of my funds. Now I have a really low buy point, so it essentially was taking profit, right? And I took that profit right around that 40-cent level, fortunately. And then as we started to kind of fall down, it hit down where honestly I would have gotten liquidated with what I was borrowing. So I took that off the table, but I kept my bags of CRO, my just regular bags, my holding portfolio. And I'm holding that strong. That is sitting in the DeFi app right now, and that is earning me 12.3% interest, and that fluctuates, but 12.3% annual interest. I earn a couple bucks a day, right? Could be more than that. I don't want to get into the specific dollars or you'll know my bags, if you know what I'm saying, but I earn a little bit of money a day over a week. That becomes a little bit more money over a month, then quite a bit more, and then you start to add that back in and start earning interest on that. That's compound interest, guys, and that's on a project that I still believe in. Do I still believe in crypto and Cronos? I absolutely do. Crypto.com signed a $700 million deal. They're cash rich. They are investing in their advertising. That will not stop. They have an easy-to-use app. When it comes to looking at Cronos, it's similar to a Robinhood, right? Robinhood is a go-to app for so many new investors. When it comes to crypto, you're trying to capture the new investors. Coinbase and Crypto.com are kind of the two big ones in my mind, along with Robinhood, which isn't a true traditional crypto exchange, but they're trying to get there. Cronos has the lead on them, and they have an awesome, easy-to-use app. And my strategy right now is just hold and DCA, and I'm DCAing because I'm earning the interest, and I'm locking that back up in CRO, and I'm just earning on my CRO. Right now, I'm prioritizing my main purchases on Bitcoin and Ethereum, but I'm still shuffling some into Crypto.com, into Shiba Inu, into Dogecoin, into Solana and Crypto.com more so, and Zilliqa, right? Maybe a splash of Animal Concerts, maybe a splash of STEPN, right? But Crypto.com is a top 20 project, and this project is not going anywhere. When you look at the all-time charts for this project, we have come right back down, which means buying opportunities are upon us, guys. I mean, it's currently sitting at a market cap of $4 billion, almost $5 billion. It was at $10 trillion. So that is doubling your money if we get back to where we were. You could absolutely triple, quadruple. You could 10x your money with this project. Not tomorrow, not next week, maybe not next year, maybe not even in 2 or 3 years, but eventually this project will grow and grow in a very big way. I've seen it happen before. One of the perfect examples of a project that's been around for a longer time that has had absolute explosive momentum that honestly I didn't think would happen, but I saw it happen in 2019. This was amazing. When actually it was, so I guess it was 2020. I watched this project. I was watching it right here in December 2019. I watched it go up to $20. I was looking at it. I bought a little bit here, watched it go up. It came back down. Then we watched this. This explosion was out of control, and it came right back down, and then it went back up again, and it came right back down. Now, I think there's a chance. This looks just like Bitcoin. I mean, when you look at this, this looks just like Bitcoin. And again, all these projects follow Bitcoin. When you look at Bitcoin and you look at that all-time chart, it's the same thing, right? Up, down, and where are we going next? Could be down, could be up. But the main point here is you've got an opportunity to dollar cost average. What is my strategy with Crypto.com? It's no different than it was before, right? I am dollar cost averaging. I am investing consistently over time to ensure that I'm getting the best price. You know, when the prices are going up, I'm more likely to want to take profit. When the prices are going down, I just want to keep buying. When the prices are flat, I want to keep buying. When the prices are going up, I still buy a little bit, but I want to be more aggressive when the prices are flat or down when it's red, because that's the way to make the most money. And with Crypto.com, they aren't going anywhere, guys. Yes, are we a little upset as a community because of some of the recent news of Chris Marsliak and what they've done with the coin? Absolutely. But look at some of these other projects, guys, and what they're doing. They still have awesome, awesome terms. You still have an awesome opportunity to earn interest from when you swipe your card. The cashback's still great. From when you go ahead and you lock up your funds, you're still getting 1 to 10% returns on, your earn term. In the DeFi space, you can get 12, 50%, 100% in some of these DeFi plays in the Cronos ecosystem. The Cronos ecosystem, guys, is in the top 10 Cronos ecosystems right now. When you go to DeFi Llama, you will see the ecosystem here, and you'll see that Crypto.com and Cronos is absolutely one of the biggest out there. The top protocols. So, oh my goodness, look at this. So it actually grew. It was at 9, and now it's over at 7. So we are climbing, and I predicted this actually. So officially here on the channel, you can see that I predicted this would continue to climb. It has climbed. Now, my real prediction is that this could pass Polygon. I still believe that this could, and should pass Polygon because it's unique. It's its own ecosystem. Polygon is great, but it's kind of a supplement to other projects. Cronos is more of its own project, right? Its own community, which makes me very excited. It's growing. VVS Finance has a huge DEX. Tectonic Finance is a great lending platform. Optimizer is really awesome. Yield Aggregator, you got Beefy Finance. So there's a lot of projects going on it. And they still have some other things that they might want to own. A CDP, we're still looking to kind of get them to add. Liquid staking, we still have yet to see them add that. So there's still a lot more progress they can continue to make. And you look where Binance Smart Chain is, right? So they've got the Mars ecosystem, PancakeSwap, Anchor, Multichain, Venus, Alpha. We've got similar programs on Cronos, and I think that they're going to continue to grow and continue to get bigger because they're investing in themselves. And I like what they're doing from a financial standpoint in terms of investing in their own future, guys. And that's exactly what you should be doing as well. Invest in your own future and don't miss out on an opportunity to buy Such an incredible dip. This coin was at $1. It's currently sitting at 18 cents. You could get a 5x if we go back to all-time highs. You put in $1,000 today. When it goes back to $1, congratulations, you have $5,000. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments down below. That is all I got for you in today's video. I am Crypto Kip, and this is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel. And as always, guys, you got a DCA, HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.